Cako kwa wenye manyena matika time campaign ichawa maloni chawa melok lobetini tadit lobetika wachi ni kidano mira wajol jumagitika kelo lonya Uganda birika wachi lokman karba en lotika rwata ki lunya lonya magitika awa ki ilobo me Poland lunya lonya ini parenge investment mano gimete gikeli Uganda investment me yupo technology mabo yubo mutaka new machines ma pola kare luni drones ka mutaka ne ngwaje la bon driver bom dana moy kan eno ti ka minyo ken ping ti wachi ne ka tuk way dege no tuk la bon pilot la bon dana moy kan anu konyo iket me security ka ngiyo kama chao kana no security conscious way ka chal kumbe ADF attack gini kichwalo drone so Onya Lonyo ina yugo gimira yupo drones in Uganda.
Their idea is welcome. Onya Lonyo kiketo nyokelo don lobo bini yo mapat. Technology tika meta matera Uganda. Ento bena neno chalo lobo kit technology ngo make miro kidon konyo dara machingjui kining. Katika targeting East Africa as a region ijima gen gimira yupo nini. New Africa, era che mero che campano per Uganda, ane charo Roma nyako nyige. Era che tika bino ni atika che lo drones, ma che yubi Uganda, mo bo konyo ngiyo mostly security features, ni che Roma chale toke wiyamo, kaneno kama peoti ye, kama gwoko mako forest mo achiel, ki chwalo kaneno kita mache dit kwede, ka duiti ka yeludana che Roma chale wiyamo, to spy kama duiti ye, lo mak rej tika mako rej maraje kichwalo re winam kaneno joma tika timi illegal fishing. At the end of the day, it is more of a security advancement as opposed to the common person. PM kumbedi wanu ngeni wa drone mo wile in drone mai tuku mene me chair me kamako chil padano wedding kono ngogeni mire chu license ye donc eni marketing ka neni kitika kelo drones ma security related to a bigger extent konyo jomati security operation.
Anena wala did Chief of Defense Forces General Mnyetek malak Mbadi no tike nyi meeting ena karwata kilo nya lonyo ena but not only security even in instances chao kana jal kangi pin kama tut kama chol jali di forest ki mano chao kana warrior ben attack meron nongo no nyang rescue team we po down moto templar madano gutoy p ena ni grama chala kudi drones e bini bene kangi jemi kumakumen so kwenye operations makumeno besides security
ena wajini it is a good thing. Erkani targetati Uganda kikenchi Uganda chuka rama bedo nok manok. Nong miro go bin era go focusing on a bigger scope well chatway Africa as a whole. And then that way they will hit a mark. Era ka berni Uganda kiken ka gwak bene go chako yupo drones mateo termo ati kwedeni. For weddings, I can carry my drone in my bag, I go and shoot photos, I go to the beach and also enjoy. But no pick any string attached to it. Manyutini downable wheel photography chara one more way wheel because sometimes we need such drones in emergency situations mogome chiaro accident or down pongo you can't access the scene of crime you buy a drone with dano and you get what you want so that for us also works enter don kitaki with you kwere and man on drone about drone mamotaka and wacha dano when do do mataka one ben no chara penye drone achel pm I couldn't say I can afford enter I know that drone make buy we yamani. Don't tag.
Wing drone. Wait a while.